Hello and welcome back to my English classes. Now today I'm going to explain you from Honey class 8th on the grasshopper and cricket by John Keats. Now this poem also deals with the nature. Now here grasshopper and a cricket, जो आपने grasshopper और cricket को देखा होगा, टिड्डी होती ना वो, ठीक है। आप गर्मियों में क्या कहते हैं ग्रास हॉपर को ज़्यादा देखेंगे और सर्दियों में क्रिकेट को देखेंगे ना। हियर ग्रास हॉपर इज अ सिंबल ऑफ समर्स एंड क्रिकेट इज द सिंबल ऑफ विंटर्स। नाउ हियर द पोएट इज डिस्क्राइबिंग विद द हेल्प ऑफ grasshopper and cricket that the earth never stops singing. The earth is never quiet. Now we will see the poem explanation. The poetry of the earth is never dead. When all the birds are faint with the hot sun and hide in cooling trees, a voice will run. Now here the poet says that the poetry of earth is never dead means the sound which we hear on this earth will never end. Some or the other will make some noise in the form of singing. When all the birds are faint with the hot sun means when all the birds are hidden from the warmth of the sun in the shades of trees and hide in cooling trees, a voice will run. Even though the birds are not singing in the hot sun, even though nobody is singing, the birds are not singing, there you will be able to hear the noise of singing still. From hedge to hedge about a new mown mead. Hedge to hedge means प्लांट्स एंड बुशेस जो आप लोग घर में लॉन बनाते हो तो किनारे हेज बना लेते हो ना, उसी तरह के छोटे छोटे जो पेड़ होते हैं उसमें से यू विल हियर द न्यू साउंड. नाउ न्यू मॉर्न मीड मीन्स न्यू ग्रीन प्लांट्स, जो छोटे छोटे पौधे होते हैं वो होते हैं. दैट इज द ग्रास हॉपर्स ही टेक्स द लीड मीन्स हियर द ग्रास हॉपर हाइड्स or can be found in these area where small plants are there, and he takes the lead means now here in summers in a hot sun we will be able to hear the singing of grasshoppers. In summer's luxury he has never done means वो कभी अपने आप को quiet नहीं रखता है. Even the birds are quiet and the environment is silent, but even then you will be able to hear the sound of grasshoppers with his delights for when tired out with fun. Now he is not singing for the sake, he is singing for his own enjoyment. And we also hear, when we hear the sound of these grasshoppers, we feel that some musical thing is going all around. He rests at ease beneath some pleasant weed. Weed means small plants. Okay, when he is tired of singing, he takes some rest under the small trees, क्योंकि वो बहुत छोटा सा कीड़ा होता है तो वो कहीं भी छुप जाता है पेड़ों के बीच में, और वो ग्रीन कलर का होता है तो वो जल्दी किसी को दिखाई भी नहीं देता है. The poetry of the earth is ceasing never. Ceasing means रुक जाना, स्टॉप हो जाना. बट यहाँ पे ये पोएट क्या कह रहा है? The poetry of earth is ceasing never means the poet is never quiet. On a lone winter evening when the frost has wrought a silence. कब? जब विंटर इवनिंग हो गया, जब सब लोग अपने घर के अंदर ठंड के मारे चले जाते हैं, कोई जल्दी बाहर नहीं निकलता है, फॉग गिरता है, ठंडक होती, ठंडी हवाएं चलती हैं और सब जगह खामोशी रहती है. From the stone there shrills. From the stone there shrills means in this silence again we are able to hear the sound of something. Something is singing, someone is singing. The cricket's song in warmth increasing ever means यहाँ पे हम किसकी आवाज़ सुनते, किसकी सिंगिंग सुनते हैं ड्यूरिंग विंटर्स? द क्रिकेट सॉन्ग. ओके, क्रिकेट टेक्स द लीड and it feels like he takes the place of grasshopper after summers. In the warmth increasing ever, in a very गर्म जोश के साथ he is singing and seems to one in drowsiness half lost. Drowsiness half lost means feeling sleepy. उसकी साउंड इतनी अच्छी लगती है कभी कभी कि हमें नींद सी आ जाती है. when we hear the music we cool ourselves. कभी अगर कोई गुस्से में होता है तो उसको म्यूजिक सुना दो, वो नॉर्मल हो जाता है. या कभी जैसे किसी किसी की आदत होती है बिना म्यूजिक सोए उनको नींद नहीं, बिना सुने उसको नींद नहीं आती. इन द सेम वे व्हेन वी हियर द सॉन्ग ऑफ cricket we feel like half sleepy. The grasshoppers among some grassy hills. Now here the grasshopper and cricket takes the place of a singer, you can say. ठीक है, the grasshopper takes the place during summers and when the summer is over the cricket takes the lead after grasshopper. In the same way again after cricket the grasshopper takes the lead. That means the earth is never dead. The earth is not there without the sound of music or the sound of singing. So here the poet takes the help of grasshopper and cricket, and here the poem is in the form of sonnet, okay, on poetry of earth and the voice of nature. Right, now here the cricket is also considered as the good one. Okay, here he says that though it is very cold, though it is nobody is coming out, even then the cricket is there to make us fall asleep or feel drowsy. Now here the poet describes about the beauty of nature, and the whole poem is related with the nature. Now here he says that the in future reference and live in present means at times people only live in present and they never think about their future. Here four-legged cricket is considered as humans, two-legged people. We are two-legged people, we are human beings. So he considers cricket as human beings. As the humans are inside during the winters, the crickets are outside to sing the song. I hope you have understood the poem. Thank you.